So, an appeal will be discussed dun sa director, then commission proper. How long will it take? Yung
COA.
appeal.
Sino
How
po
long
sa
will
inyo?
it take?
COA. Attorney Camora.
Mr. Chair, may I ask
The
a
appeal.
repetition? The appeal is...
How long will it take?
They are given 180 days po from...
Tama, 180 days.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, within 6 months.
Yes, Mr.
And
Chair.
after that, after the 180 days, which is 6
Ang
months,
tanong po ni Congressman Paduano, after the appeal, gaano po ninyo katagal bago sagutin or maglabas po kayo ng recommendation?
Dali po. Chairman,
Ay,
kasi
please.
any office, no, for that matter, and in this case, the office of the Vice President is given 180 days or 6 months from the appeal. Now, so, bibigyan sila ng 6 months. And now, for example, the appeal supposedly started when the NDA, no, Notice of Disallowance, started January. So, ang appeal niya, no, appeal niya will be pwedeng June 30. Tama? On that year. Tama? Last day, for example, of that 180 days. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Then again, after